This is a 2019 BMW M5 competition, and it's the best car BMW has ever made. So today we are going to review it and see whether it's still a good purchase in 2025 when the new M5 is out and these are going for a bargain.
Yeah, let's go. There's not a man that I fear. There's nobody here that can stop me. Cause I'm in a league of my own, yeah. Y'all can just sit back and watch me. They know who I am, they can't imitate. Don't stay in your lane, I'ma set it straight. I'm building my way to the top. You get in my way, you know that I'ma renovate.
I know all of you guys already know this, but this car comes with a 4.4 liter twin-turbo V8 that makes 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. But this is not a regular M5. This is actually a stage 3 M5, but because the owner of this car drove the car and thought to himself, yeah, the car is slow, it doesn't have enough power, so let me upgrade the turbos, let me do a few more mods to make sure the car is fast enough. Bro! It's absolutely insane. It's just like, holy fucking shit. So this car comes with a CTS intake, CTS downpipe, full valved Miltec exhaust, Project A Stage 3 turbos, a Project A Stage 3 tune, and an XHP Stage 2 transmission tune. This thing makes proper power, I'm telling you. It hasn't been dynoed yet, but it easily makes over 800 horsepower. This car is absolutely beautiful, and I'm a little biased because I do have an LCI G30 myself, but this thing is absolutely beautiful. From the headlights, from the bumper, from the wheels. I mean, I'm not normally a big fan of stock wheels on cars, but these look very fitting to the car. It's like, wow, crazy. This car comes with carbon ceramic brakes, which surprisingly don't feel like they're enough for a 2-ton family sedan that has over 800 horsepower. I don't know how you could get it to be any better than this, but yeah, this car is fast. This car has had a facelift upgrade done to it. It's not actually a facelift. So it has the upgraded headlights with the BMW laser lights. It has the newer bumper and it has the upgraded taillights. Again, I'm biased towards it. I have an LCI G30. If I didn't like it, I wouldn't have bought one. But it looks absolutely... Comment down below and let me know what you think about the looks of this car in comparison with the newer G90 M5. I can't believe I'm even saying this, but this car is 6 years old and it looks like it came out of the showroom like yesterday. It's just very modern looking. But another thing that I can't believe is that 6 years ago, this car was considered a pretty heavy car, weighing at 1,982 kilos. But now with the addition of the newer M5 that weighs as much as a house, this actually is a pretty lightweight family sedan at 1,982 kilos. I will put up some stats of the car right now on screen, so I won't have to bore you with it. I know that you're here to see how this car feels to drive. With stage 3 turbos and everything. It's like spoilers, I am gonna probably scream out of excitement driving this thing. Bro! What the fuck is this? Give me a fault code. Oh, it's not giving me the fault code. I feel like a boss putting this car into gear. It's actually the same.
Yeah, I was just thinking the same thing.
No need. You don't need seatbelts.
I mean, it's an M5.
It is an M5. We can put it in rear wheel drive if you want.
No, let's stick to extra.
Okay, first impression, driving an M5 in the most efficient mode. This car feels like my 5 Series. Absolutely feels this. Like the throttle pedal has no feel to it. It feels very familiar. You just know, it's just like there's a little bit of noise coming into the cabin that is letting you know what you're driving. You know, it's just there, just like in the shadows. Like you're driving an M5. I was like, what, 20% throttle? This is an efficient. Efficient, yeah, it's called efficient because this car is all about efficiency.
Oh, yeah.
As you can see, the fuel consumption is 30 liters. So you can ignore all the claims saying it's like 13, 14. It's like On this car with the current owner, it's 30 liters per 100 kilometers, which is very efficient. You can run through your tank in like 200 kilometers. Driving this car in the most efficient settings, it's not boring. Feels very firm. Feels much firmer than my G30, yeah, than my non-M car.
I almost thought you were gonna say something else.
G-Spot?
Feels much firmer than
My G-Spot. I don't have a G-Spot, but that would be nice. It would be a nice to have, but I hear there's a lot of pleasure coming from the G-Spot. Put the car in M2. Oh, fucking hell, bro! Oh!
Oh my god.
I mean, it is fast. It's alright. It's like. Oh. I held my breath for a good few seconds. This is not even the sportiest setting.
It's like a fighter jet. You have to hold your G for.
Bro! What the fuck is this? Oh my god. Can you fucking imagine daily driving this shit? Oh my god. Where the fuck did my phone fly to? One more. And I wasn't even in sports gear. Sports Plus, 4-wheel drive sport. Yeah, that's good. Then the gear is also in the sportiest setting. Do you wanna feel the launch? Are you guys ready for a launch?
Sure.
I mean, we should turn down the AC because my hands are getting cold.
Oh my god!
Bro!
Oh my god! What the? I hit my head on the.
That was a 50 kilometers per hour
Within the speed limit.
within the speed limit.
Thank God we're driving in Mexico.
This is intoxicating.
Yeah.
You know when they say you can live in your car but you can't drive your house?
Yeah.
It really works with this car. You would want to live in this car. I could do this all day. Sleep in the car, wake up in the morning, have some coffee, do this. Until I go,
Fuck man, this is crazy fast.
bro.
Holy shit.
Not only it's fast, but it's like
Welcome to Compton.
this is the best car I've ever driven, and I've driven some pretty amazing cars.
So remember how you're talking about, you know, getting a new place, needing to pay rent.
You were saying? Keep talking, bro.
I don't
It's
think you
like-
need to pay rent anymore.
I- bro.
It's just gas at this point.
Bro, what the fuck is rent anyway?
You're gonna ask the missus, can you live in here?
Yeah.
Bro, she's
Comfortably.
like
Comfortably.
comfortably. So what do I think about the brand new old M5 competition? This car is like I told you, it's the best car BMW has ever made. It will not get better than this. And the best part is these cars are going for such bargains right now that they're going for like a third of what they were going for. This is like the best bang for your buck. Just get one of these. It's just like, I'm lost for words. In a world where all the manufacturers are downsizing and going for hybrid and all this crap, having a V8 at the command of your right foot, just something very intoxicating. And I feel like I gotta get myself one of these. That's it. Subscribe. This is like effortless.
It is so effortless. Oh my god, this is like magic. Bro, these Germans, man, I want what they're having.
It looks good, drives good. What the f else do you need from a car?
Yeah, this is everything
You will
that
ever
you would
need
ever need.
in one beautiful package.
What do you think of the car? It feels like I slept with the school teacher I had a crush on. It's like good missionary. It's not like porn star shit. It's not like OnlyFans chick that you fantasize about. It's just good old missionary. It's like 160 but good.
Good.